Some students ask me a question that, Bhaiya, why should you not talk about the Bhiwani Haryana case? My dear, actually, such a worst thing that can be occur in our country India. Because of there are many cases, my dear. You should know in past days there are many worst conditions will be happen in India regarding SSC protest, regarding many wives are killed their husband for the alimony. Okay, many wives are killed their husband to for their past love. There are so many cases which was the worst thing in our country, and I think it is not for our country, it's the whole world. Clear? So that you should ask me question that, Bhaiya, why should you not talk about the Bhiwani Haryana case? My dear, I think it's the worst thing that should be happen in Bhiwani. It is a completely failure of the system of democracy here. There are so many cases we know, and I also talk about this topic because in present days where our system become complete failure, the reason behind the corrupted system, and also you all are here that sometime women are killed their husband for money, sometimes girls are raped. Well, my dear, doctors, the ladies doctor become, they were in their duty, okay, at the time of duty they become raped, the ladies doctor, you should know about that. But there was a corrupted system in our country. The system is in worst condition, my dear. So that what should you expected by me? What I can idea? What can I do, dear? There were no one to see this type of query. No one were trustworthy. So I think you should become safe. Okay, dear. Take the privacy. Okay, that's it. Because in our country, India is a democratic country, but I should not think that really India is a democratic country. No. Okay, I can't tell any such type of thing which we heard me. Okay.